Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in AliExpress app on Android device. It is super simple, so without any delay, let's get right into the video. First, open up your app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can check out my previous video on how to download it. Once you are in the home page, make sure that you are logged in. Now, here you can see that all the prices are in dollar. To change it, you need to click on your account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Another interface will open where you will see a flag icon at the top next to your username. Click on it. There you will see a list of countries. Now click on the country that you belong to and of which the currency that you want to use. Now all the prices have been changed to the currency that you currently use or your local currency. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.